Health challenges do not recognize borders, neither should the solutions. For decades, the Network Towards Unity for Health has brought together health professionals, educators, students, communities, institutions, and partners from around the world to build more equitable and socially accountable health systems. A global community learning together, growing together, transforming together. Join us for the TUFH International Conference 2027, a place where local realities inspire global solutions. Recife is one of Brazil's oldest cities, with origins dating back to 1537. For centuries, it has been a meeting point of indigenous peoples, African heritage, Portuguese traditions, and Dutch heritage. A city shaped by encounters between cultures, peoples, and knowledge systems. Today, Recife continues to be a living laboratory for social innovation, community engagement, and primary healthcare transformation. UFPE is one of Brazil's leading public universities and a reference in socially accountable education, research, and community engagement.
Olá, eu sou Moacir Araújo, vice-reitor da Universidade Federal de Pernambuco, aqui em Recife, e eu queria dizer para vocês que em 2027 nós estamos completando agora 200 anos de idade, 200 anos da Universidade Federal de Pernambuco. E teremos o maior prazer em receber todos vocês para esse evento maravilhoso que vai acontecer aqui em nossa instituição. Não apenas os centros envolvidos com a saúde estarão participando, mas estaremos todos de porta aberta para recebê-los aqui agora em 2027. Sejam desde já muito bem-vindos e bem-vindas à Universidade Federal de Pernambuco.
FBS is internationally recognized for innovative health education and interprofessional learning rooted in community realities.
I am Giliati Falbo, Academic Coordinator of the Faculdade Pernambucana de Saúde. Our 20 years old health school has 8 undergraduate health courses: medicine, dentistry, nursing, psychology, pharmacy, physiotherapy, nutrition, physical education, and digital health entrepreneurship, as well as 2 master programs in education for health professions and clinical psychology. Our teaching hospital has more than 1,000 beds and has been serving underprivileged population through our national health systems for over 66 years.
ABEM has played a central role in advancing transformative health professions education across Brazil for more than 6 decades.
Eu sou Sandro Schreiber, diretor da Associação Brasileira de Educação Médica. Estamos muito felizes de receber o Congresso da Rede TUFH, a maior rede internacional de conexão sobre responsabilidade social na formação das profissões de saúde. Esperamos por todos na cidade do Recife de 14 a 17 de setembro de 2027. Venham conosco.
Together, UFPE, FBS, and ABEM proudly welcome the world to Recife. Under the theme Health for All, Reimagining Knowledge, Power, and Partnership, participants will explore new ways of building knowledge, sharing leadership, and creating solutions together. TUFH is more than a conference. It is an interactive and collaborative experience. Participants learn across professions, disciplines, countries, and cultures. Ideas become partnerships. Partnerships become action. Experience health beyond conference walls. Through Conference on the Move, participants leave traditional venues and engage directly with communities, health services, and local initiatives. Witness social accountability in action. Learn with communities, not only about them. Because health is also culture, it is identity, belonging, relationships, and the understanding that our differences makes us stronger. Join the global TUFH family in Recife. Share your work, build partnership, discover new perspectives, and help shape the future of socially accountable health systems. See you in Brazil, see you in Recife, see you at TUFH 2027.